Gikundi kia Andu a Wendi mwega kia Bring Back Hope hamwe na gikundi kia Africa is Home mokite hamwe na gucera mucii wa ciana cia Ndigwa wa Havilla uria uri mwena wa Kamuthi Kahawawest guku mucii munene wa Nairobi kuria mamatugite na indo ngurani guku makigia na kanya ga kuina kunywa orodumwe na kuina mari hamwe.
This organization tulianza ndio kupatia watoto chakula kwanza because of this pandemic. They are struggling a lot and we are responsible of them because they don't have parents, so sisi ndio wazazi wao and we have to take care of that. So we are taking that opportunity and that chance to feed them. It's not the first event. We are doing more and we are planning to do more.
Today we are at Havilla to exercise some charity because 10% of whichever profit that we normally make actually goes down to charity. And today is the first day that we are practicing charity event.
Kuringana na murugamiri wa mucii ucio niwe Joseph Kamau mahinda-ini maya ma king'uki gia corona mucii uyu wa Ciana ukoretwo ukigera kahinda karitu kuona ona gutire ageni makoretwo makimacerera niguo ukorwo makimahe uteithio wa irio.
So times have been hard, especially like now we are coming out of a pandemic season of coronavirus. Things have been really hard on us, especially whereby you don't have assured sponsors.
Gukiri uguo Kamau ni akenereire utana wa ikundi icio guku akiuria aria mari na uhoti guteithagiriria aria matehotete.
It's been rough, but we thank God today we have few groups with us. Africa is home and Bring Back Hope, and this is just amazing having these young people with us today, remembering these children. We also tell our well-able people, friends out there, come be part of this cause, come and own this vision, and let's work together, let's support these children. Let's work hand in hand with them. Let them know that there is a better tomorrow.